Joseph, are you ready to play Lego? Yes. Okay, let's open it. Okay, open. Open the box. Okay, get. Wow, what is that? Oh, more. Get more. Get more. Wow, more. Get more. Here. And more. Wow. Okay, now we have the 4 Legos. We're gonna open it one by one. Okay, what color is this? Look, what color? Color? It's yellow. Next, what color is this? Oh, nice. What color is this? Look. Red and pink. This one. What color is this? Wow. What color is this? Blue. What about the other one? Okay. And this one, what color is this? Check. What color is this? Green. Papa bought Lego in Shopee. There's red and pink. There's yellow. There's green. There's blue. Let's go open it. What color are we gonna open? 3, 4. Yay! Blue. It's color blue. Let's open color blue. Ready? Ready? Open. Ready. Steady. Open. Surprise. Look. Wow. What do we have here? There's a manual. There it is. And there's the pieces. Here. There's the pieces. So we can make a train, a house, and a wheel. Are we gonna open this? Not yet. Okay, next, what color are we gonna open? Green. Let's open the green. Okay, ready? Steady. Surprise! Yes, another manual. We have a crocodile, a tractor, and a castle. Kuya is here. So there are this. Next, what color? Yellow. Okay, yellow. Ready, steady, surprise. There's another manual. Wow, there's a lion. What's this? Fruit stand and helicopter or airplane. Next, what color? Red and pink. Let's open it. It's very nice. You got lots of Legos now. Ready? Steady. Open. Wow, there's a manual. Yes. Wow, it's very nice. There's a windmill, race car, and a crab. Wow, there it is. Pink and red. Okay, now Joseph is gonna play. Can you say bye-bye now?
Bye now.
Bye-bye now. See you later.
Yes,